Hey guys, so today we have a fidget cube. So it is like an Xbox color, and it says zerofidget.com. And a fidget cube by NSE Labs, made in China. Flip, routiner, glide, glisser, click, Kluger, breathe, respire, and roller rotor, spin, tor, DR. And we have, it also has this like wording right here. We're not going to read that right now. How about we just get into the fidget cube? Oh, well, first we have a lot to read on it. I'm not going to get into the fidget cube yet. Let's see here. zerofidgetcube.com. Fidget cube was made by possible 154,926 people on Kickstarter. LE Fidget Cube. It's Spanish. So yeah, it's Fidget Cube. It's green like an Xbox, white outline, and it's got green, and there's the breathe thing. Good. Do thumb rest. Alright, here we go. Oh my god, it like exploded out, so here it is. It's kind of cool. It's really cool. Not gonna lie, it's not just kind of cool, it's very cool. So here's the inside. Here's the top. We're just gonna put that to the side for now and check out the item. It's pretty heavy, I'm not gonna lie. So it's got this like fidget spinner thing right here. Compare this to a fidget spinner. Look at this. Compare this to a fidget spinner. Look. Comparison. Look at that. So you can spin a fidget spinner like this. And then you can't even spin this. You gotta click it and stuff and like spin it around. And let's turn this into a fidget spinner. Are you ready? Let's go. That was random. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Be quiet, Bird. I'm trying to make a YouTube video. Alright. So, the next thing about it, so we'll start off with the clicking buttons. Some buttons make noise, some don't. This one's not. This one is. The middle one makes noise, this top one does, and then that one doesn't. So you got the little joystick to move, little gears here, and a metal ball. Thumb rest, so you just put your thumb on and just fidget. You got this little spinning thing here, I don't know what that is. And you got a little metal ball to move. I don't get what it means by glide. Comment down below, Jackson. I don't know. Then we got a light switch. It's pretty awesome. And then, yeah, that's pretty much a fidget cube. So, yep, that was a fidget cube. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like and wait. We can have a spin off. Let's get my fidget spinners. Let's go. I'll be back. Whoops. We got a tiny fidget spinner. Look at this. It spins. Alright, so here we go. Spin. Fidget spinner. Look at that. That spins. Really good. I'm kidding. Please. Please. I'm trying to make a YouTube video. Alright. So, next up we have this weird spinner that I tore out the mini spinner of. I'm going to get it back in. I really don't. Look at that. Fidget spinner ring now. But this is a really cool spinner. I'm not going to lie. I'm kidding. Look at that. So, yeah, it's a cool little spinner. But this video should be out on the fidget cube. So, yeah, fidget cube. I lost my black one. I used to have it. I lost it. I used to have one. Check. You find it. Yeah, I'm kidding. No fidget cube. So we got this spinner. So my new spinners. Here's one of my faves. One of my favorite spinners. It's a ruby one. Second favorite is this little cool looking light up one. I'll have a new special guest on YouTube coming this weekend, so stay tuned. And then this is not my favorite. This is my least favorite. It just doesn't. It's the noise and it doesn't spin long, right? My second least favorite. Yeah. It doesn't spin right. Yeah, it's slowing down right. It's a stupid spinner. This spinner seems to be missing a cap. Let's put that back on. That's a crappy spinner. This is my third favorite spinner. Look at that. It's like this cool rainbow blade one, and it's actually not that sharp. Not that sharp, yeah. First of all, my normal assistant might be coming over and I don't know. You know who it is, Donnie. So my fourth favorite spinner is this one right here. Yep, that's my fourth one. Fifth is this penny one. I mean, these are all my favorites. Sixth is this one. Actually, it's my first because it's a good fidget spinner. It seems like 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Next up, we have this one. It's pretty nice. It spins really smoothly, super smooth. Got it at the boardwalk, so yeah. Here's our world's smallest spinner. Back to the fishy cube. So yeah, this Lamborghini one. Spins pretty nice. I mean, the caps aren't tight right now. Gotta tighten. There. Should be good. Nope, it's not good. You can hear the noise. Yeah. Next up, we have this white spinner. It spins pretty nice. And then the yellow one. We have this cool black one you see in a lot of my videos. Check out random vlog with me and Donnie on it. This made a lot of appearances. No, which one made a lot of appearances? This made a lot of appearances in my videos. So this one did too. It's probably my seventh favorite here. Sounds pretty nice. And then got the broken spinner. Also, this AK's bearing is cracked right here. See that? Yep, it's cracked. And then we got the bracelet spinner. It spins so long. I'm kidding. Was that cracked? Oh god. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe. And this fidget cube is awesome. Looks like an Xbox. So yeah, get this fidget cube right here. It's this color. Match it up to your Xbox 360 if it's white. So yeah, see you all next time. Bye. I love fidgeting. I love fidgeting. I love fidgeting. Oh.